Introducing the GOAT of lawnmowers? Meet the ECOVACS GOAT A2000 LiDAR Pro robotic lawnmower. This mower takes a cutting-edge approach to lawn care with built-in LiDAR navigation, meaning no GPS antennas, no RTK base stations, and a much simpler setup overall. The move to LiDAR feels like a major turning point for robotic mowers, similar to when the industry began moving away from perimeter wires a few years ago. Special thanks to ECOVACS for sending this mower out. This video is not sponsored and all opinions are our own. If you want to learn more or check current pricing, you can find the link in the description. Also, if you watched our ECOVACS A3000 video, this one may feel very familiar because, from what we can tell, the two models are nearly identical aside from battery capacity, which favors the A3000. In our testing, the A2000 can handle our front yard but needs a recharge right afterward, while the A3000 still has battery left to spare. Now let's dive in and see what this GOAT can actually do. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get started: the mower, charging station, power supply, yard screws, an Allen wrench, spare blades, the trimmer module, and all the product literature. Setup is straightforward and something you can easily handle on your own. And thanks to LiDAR, there are fewer steps since you don't need to deal with GPS or antenna placement. There are really three main parts: the trimmer, the charging station, and the mower itself. Installing the trimmer is quick. Just flip the mower over, line up the module, and secure it in with a couple of screws. Then snap in the brush covers along the sides. Next, place the charging station in a flat open area with access to power. Between the cables, you've got plenty of reach. Once connected, stake the station into the ground using the included screws. From there, everything moves to the ECOVACS home app. If you've used their robot vacuums, this will feel very familiar. The app walks you through setup and mapping step by step. You can drive the mower manually to define zones, no-go areas and paths, or let it automatically map your yard. In our testing, it handled sidewalks, mulch beds, and driveways well. The only area we had to manually guide was along our neighbor's border. One tip: if you want cleaner edges, take control and drive it closer during mapping yourself. That can make a noticeable difference in coverage. The ECOVACS home app is one of the better ones we've used so far. It's clean, intuitive, and gives you full control. You can track progress in real time, get notifications, and fine-tune your map. There are 4 mowing modes: auto for full coverage, area for custom zones, trimming for edges, and manual if you want to control it yourself. You can also adjust schedules, mowing speed, and obstacle sensitivity, even by zone. There's an option to change mowing direction, including an automatic setting that rotates patterns weekly. It also detects rain and returns to the dock automatically. There are no built-in LED lights for night mowing, which may be a downside for some, but there is an animal protection mode that prevents operation during low light hours. For us, night performance was still solid, but our yard is fairly simple. Your experience with this mower will depend heavily on your yard. For smaller, flatter, and more straightforward lawns, it performs very well. It's quiet, lightweight, and does a great job maintaining your lawn with minimal effort. If your grass is overgrown, expect it to take about 2 to 4 mowing sessions to fully get things back under control. Depending on grass height, you may notice a few missed patches, so multiple passes is recommended. Switching to the high grass environment mode in the app definitely helps reduce this issue. You could also manually adjust the mowing direction or set it to rotate directions automatically each week, which further helps eliminate missed spots and patchiness. After mowing, you may notice some grass clippings left behind, but overall it handles them well. This is not a true mulching mower, but once your lawn is maintained regularly with weekly cuts, that becomes far less important. On more complex terrain, it performs better than other non-LiDAR models we've tested, though the lack of all-wheel drive is still noticeable. Personally, I think all-wheel drive should be included at this price point, though I'm more forgiving of it on the A2000 than the A3000, which also lacks all-wheel drive despite costing several $100s more. Traction can still be inconsistent on slopes or uneven ground, and the front swivel wheels do nothing to help. That said, compared to previous non-LiDAR GOAT models, the upgraded wheels and tires make this version significantly more capable. Our older A-series units would regularly rut out in the same area of our yard, whereas this model handled those spots much more confidently. The LiDAR system and built-in trimmer are the standout features here. Starting with the trimmer, my expectations were fairly low at first because of its size, but it actually performs surprisingly well. It's small but effective. That said, I do think it could benefit from extending a bit further to help reduce missed spots along edges. Right now, it also only works in a dedicated trimming mode and does not operate automatically during standard mowing, which feels like a missed opportunity. There also doesn't appear to be a way to trim around objects like trees or landscaping features within the yard, which limits its usefulness. This is something that could potentially improve through future software updates, but at the moment, it's primarily designed for perimeter trimming only. Still, any trimming capability is better than none. The LiDAR system, however, is where this mower really shines. If you're familiar with robot vacuums, LiDAR has already become a must-have feature, and it feels like robot mowers are heading in the same direction. Not needing GPS antennas or external positioning equipment makes setup drastically easier, while also improving reliability in yards with heavy tree coverage or signal obstructions. It's difficult to overstate how important this is if you've dealt with these frustrations of setting up GPS-based mowers, only to run into signal issues when you actually want to use them. LiDAR makes the entire experience far more seamless and dependable. The mapping itself is detailed, accurate, and generally impressive to watch in action. Obstacle detection is powered by ECOVACS AVI 3D technology and overall performed well throughout our testing. You also get live camera access through the app, which is a nice bonus for monitoring the mower remotely. And like most electric mowers, it's extremely quiet in operation, even when the trimmer is running. Online, the mower averages around 4.7 stars. Most users highlight its strong performance, time-saving convenience, and excellent LiDAR navigation, especially in more complex or tree-covered yards. Some downsides come up consistently, including a tedious initial mapping process, occasional missed strips, and inconsistent obstacle detection. There are also mentions of app quirks and reliability concerns. Even so, most users feel the convenience and minimal effort required make it worth it overall. As with every product we test, there are always a few areas where we'd still like to see improvements. The biggest issue here are the limited trimmer functionality and the lack of all-wheel drive. I can give some grace on the all-wheel drive emission, but at this price point, ECOVACS really needs to find a way to bring all-wheel drive to this lineup while keeping it under the $2,000 mark. Another missing feature is mobile network or LTE support, which is something several competitors now offer. Having built-in cellular connectivity can be extremely useful for remote monitoring, anti-theft tracking, and maintaining connectivity in yards where Wi-Fi coverage is inconsistent. The encouraging part is that the trimmer limitations could potentially be addressed through software updates, especially if ECOVACS allows it to operate during normal mowing and expands its trimming capabilities around objects within the map. A few smaller upgrades we'd also like to see include built-in LED lighting for nighttime operation and some kind of dock-mounted cleaning system to help keep the LiDAR sensor clean and performing at its best all the time. So is this the GOAT of robotic lawnmowers? In a lot of ways, it's getting very close. The LiDAR system is a major step forward for the category, making setup easier and opening the door for more reliable performance in challenging yards. It's quiet, capable, and delivers a true maintenance-free style mowing experience with minimal effort. That said, it's not perfect. The lack of all-wheel drive and the limited trimmer functionality hold it back from being a complete replacement for every lawn. But if your yard fits its strengths and you value convenience above all else, this is one of the most exciting robot mowers we've tested and a strong glimpse at where the industry is headed next.